Hi everyone, so this is the navigation video to get around Canvas. I'm starting here on my dashboard and you're just going to click into the class. So we are going to go in to business law and it's loading. So it's going to take you to this home page and you're going to see the Start Here menu. So you can jump through, start here, and you can work through the introduction. Now, as the class gets going, you're going to want to go over here to modules. That's going to give you how to navigate through the week. So I want you to go through, read all of this, complete the student syllabus quiz, and then you'll jump into week one. During week one, all you can do is start at the introduction page. This is going to give you your learning outcomes, your chapters that we are covering, and I will have PowerPoint lectures there as well. You're going to go through discussion posts 1 and 2, case briefs. The weeks are going to be very similar in nature, so you're always going to have case briefs that are due that Friday. The discussion post, the initial post will be due Thursday, and then your 2 responses will be due Sunday. As we move through the weeks, we'll have a little bit more in-depth group assignments, midterms, and finals, but we start off fairly easy in the first week. Again, your PowerPoints are always going to be in, and you'll be able to open them directly through Canvas. You will not need to open them in PowerPoint. Go through that way. To reach me, you are more than welcome to shoot me a message through Canvas. We will have assignments throughout the class that you can answer to, and I will get back to you within 24 hours. Please let me know if you have any questions.